Hi there, Andrew. So I'm just going to try and go through the instructions for how you can get the homework sorted. So if you go to Rouse Maths, I'm just going to type it in and search for it, which is this one. Sorry, it's just being a little bit slow with getting to that site after school today. Here we go. And we go to our page, which is 7CD2. And we're looking for the summer term CAT review. How do you know area and angles task? If you click on this link here, it will take you down to the relevant bit at the bottom of the page. There we go. Now the self-assessment sheet that you filled in the lesson generally refers to this form here. So for example, you might have decided that the things you did show, you might have said, well, I did do pairs of angles, I did rearrange it to put in a kite, I did use 4 types of shading, I formed a rhombus, and I did a little bit of an explanation about why pairs of acute angles are equal, referring to parallel lines. And subsequently, what level did you decide today? And you might have decided that was 5A. If you then scroll down, you'll see that the pairs of angles, so on the sheet, did you put not done, good or better? So if you went for good, and then what could be improved, and it might have been using 4 colours for 4 different angles, and what went well, and it might be that you did shaded pairs of equal angles. So that should just be transferring the information from your sheet into this form. You notice I'm still in the same wiki space. If you complete all of these sections, which are just the sections on there, you then click on submit, and that means that will come to me. Now you'll see that this one says, wait a minute, you didn't fill in one of the required questions. So how easy did you find the marking process? And you'll probably put difficult. And it also say you didn't fill in these ones. So once they're all filled in, and I'll just go through and put something in all of them, and I'll know this is my entry when I go and look at the results. If you continue to put in your information and click on submit, it will send it to me and you'll be done. If you need any support, like for example at the top, if you're like, well, I don't really know what level I was, I need to see the marking guide again, this link here will open up a page like this, and if it's this one you're referring to that's not taking you to the right place, then I'll have a look. If you scroll down, eventually you'll see this bit. It looks a bit more like a mark scheme. Go past the first set and it says here, how do you know angles? And this is the bit we're looking at today in the lesson that might help you fill in some of the information on that form a bit better. Hope this helps. Best of luck.